Hey everyone, I am about to unbox my package from Pro Wrestling Tees. I know what it is, and I can't wait to show you guys. Okay, I'm sorry about that, guys. Sorry about the yawn. Okay, AEW World's End December 28th, 2024 Blu-ray. Okay, let me get like 2 or 3 matches on here. The Tijuana Street Fight. AEW's Women's World Championship. Myra May champion versus Thunder Rosa. The Dynamite Diamond Ring champion MJF versus Adam Cole. The AEW's World Heavyweight Championship 4-Way Championship, Jon Moxley versus Hangman Adam Page versus Orange Cassidy versus Jay White. Here's the front of the match. Sorry about the glare, guys. There's the front. And here's the back. AEW's Full Gear, November 23rd, 2024. The AEW, let me get like 2 or 3 matches on here. The AEW's World Championship match. Jon Moxley versus Orange Cassidy. Jay White versus Adam Hangman Page. MJS versus Roderick Strong. Here's the front, guys. And here's the back. That is it, guys. I will put all my descriptions in all the... I'll put all the matches in the descriptions. This was first and second. Okay. Alright, guys. Thank you. Have a good day. Have fun.